All right. It's that Hombre of the Highstar Ranch. We got follow cam on Rainy. Yeah, buddy. He's never been here, so we're sending him in blind. Woo! I haven't been here so long it wouldn't even matter anyways because I don't remember this. Oh! Little drop there. This is a blue rated trail up at Highstar. They have a bunch of cool stuff up here. They do not allow e-bikes up here, if you are wondering. Just regular bikes. Oh, pedal grabber. Chunky. These weeds are not helping with line of sight any at all. I love when they have to add like an uphill, but they make it so that you can carry speed through it. Oh. Oh. Nice. Little jump right there. Just a chunk. Scrub oak is out of control. Oh, nice. Rock chunk. Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, double. Oh, no double. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Fun little chunky trail. Woo. Oh. Yes! Nice. Up and over. Yeah. Oh yeah. Too bad that's on a turn. I really wanted to send that kind of deep. Yeah, nice. Hell yeah. That's cool. Up and over. Yeah, that's a perfect rock right there. half. Nice. Double. Nope. Up and over. Oh yeah. Woo. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Attaboy.